Welcome to this updated guide on how to use Amex Hilton Honors points in 2025. As a valued member of the Hilton Honors program, you have access to a wide range of redemption options, from luxurious hotel stays to unique experiences. To get started, log into your Hilton Honors account and navigate to the rewards section. Here, you will see your available points balance and a list of redemption options. The most popular way to use Hilton Honors points is for free hotel nights. To do this, search for your desired hotel and travel dates, and select the Pay with Points option. The number of points required will vary depending on the hotel category and your travel dates. Another great way to use your points is by transferring them to partner airlines. Hilton Honors has partnerships with over 20 airlines, including American Airlines, Delta, and United. To transfer your points, navigate to the Transfer Points section and select your desired airline. The transfer ratio will vary depending on the airline, but most transfers are at a 10-to-1 ratio. You can also use your Hilton Honors points to book experiences, such as concert tickets or sporting events. To do this, navigate to the Experiences section and browse through the available options. The number of points required will vary depending on the experience and location. To maximize the value of your points, consider using them during off-peak travel periods or at lower category hotels. You can also combine your points with cash to book a stay, which can be a great way to stretch your points further. Additionally, keep an eye on the Hilton Honors website for special promotions and sales, which can offer discounted redemption rates. Finally, be sure to keep your points from expiring by earning or redeeming points at least once every 24 months. You can also consider transferring your points to a family member or friend if you are unable to use them before they expire. By following these tips and strategies, you can get the most value out of your Amex Hilton Honors points and enjoy rewarding experiences around the world.